You can see I earned almost $500 with this site, and you can too. This brand new method I've never shared with anyone before is one of the easiest ways to generate money online. You can make money online on autopilot no matter where you are from because this is available worldwide. Those of you who stick with me until the end will be able to see a unique and new tool that I have never shown before that you can use to maximize your results and earn even more money. And before we proceed, I would appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and ring the notification bell so that you won't miss out any of my future videos. And for other ways to make money online, you can check the link in the description down below. And with that said, let's get started on this tutorial. The first of several websites you'll need to visit is this one, which is named pexels.com. When you arrive at the main page, you may immediately see what this is: the best free stock photos, royalty-free images, and videos shared by creators. So basically, this is a location where you can find royalty-free images and videos, and for those of you who don't know, royalty-free means you have the right to use them without worrying about copyright issues. The nicest aspect, undoubtedly, and something I'm sure you'll appreciate, is that all of the images and videos are completely free to download. As a result, they do not require payment, which is precisely why we want to use this website. What you'll want to do now is type keywords connected to health and fitness into the search field on this page. So, as long as it's related to health and fitness, you can type in weight loss, health and fitness, and so on. What you enter in doesn't make a huge difference. In this case, I typed in health and fitness as an example, and what you'll need to do when you searched for this keyword is click on videos, since you want to get a video rather than a photo. Simply look for and select anything that appeals to you. So you can choose anything in here that looks good to you. And for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use this as an example. To download a video, simply open it up, so I'm gonna click this, then on the next page, click on free download here. You will then be prompted to choose a resolution for the video. I would suggest you choose 1920 by 1080 as your resolution. Simply click the free download button below, and the video will be downloaded to your PC for free, as promised. And sure, it makes absolutely zero sense why we're downloading a video about health and fitness from Pexels. In fact, this is exactly why you should keep watching, because everything will make sense in due time. Now that you've downloaded your video, it's time to go on to the next platform in this strategy, which is this one right here, Digistore24.com. Digistore24 is a reseller-based online sales platform for vendors and affiliates. Digistore24 enables vendors to sell digital products, selected physical products, services, events, and seminars. Affiliates, that's you and me, use Digistore24 to market the products of Digistore24 vendors and find them on the marketplace, one of the largest marketplaces for digital information products. So what you need to do is to sign up by clicking this Start Now. It's free to sign up. And then we will be brought to a sign up page like this. You will sign up as an affiliate and enter any username you like, enter your email address, repeat your email, set a password, repeat your password, and then select your time zone. You will enter your name, you can leave the company as blank, and then your address, and then your country, so Digistore24.com is available worldwide. Enter your phone number, and then tick this box that you agree to the terms and conditions, then hit register for free now. So once you do that, you can now log into your account. So, this is how your account looks like. As you can see, I already earned $485.99 with this strategy. Here at the top right, click the marketplace, and we will be brought to a page like this, wherein we can see at the left side the digital products. So here you can see categories from animals and pets, business, dating, education, fitness and health, food, and much, much more. So, my advice to you is to choose your niche, the niche that you are passionate about. And as an example, if you remember the video that we downloaded, right, that is a health and fitness niche. So I will click this fitness and health, and we will look for a product to promote. So there's a bunch of product here that we can promote. This one will pay us 85% commission, and this one 80%, and the next one 75%. So, let's say for example we will promote the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan. All you have to do is click the promote button, and your affiliate link will be given to you instantly. This affiliate link is a link you use to promote something, and when someone clicks this link they will be redirected to the health and fitness product, and you will earn 85% commission when they buy. So copy your affiliate link and save it to your notepad or anywhere. And as you can see, the link is quite long and looks spammy. So we will go to bit.ly.com to shorten the link. So go to bit.ly.com. This site is a link shortener, and you don't need to sign up. You can sign up if you like, and that is free of charge so that you can track your clicks. So what you need to do is to paste your long link here in the box, and then click shorten, and the shorten link will be given to you instantly, and as you can see the link now is nice and appealing. You can now then save the link to your notepad or anywhere. And we will go over to the next step. So now all you need is actual traffic, which is missing in this strategy, and I have two fantastic traffic sources to show you that can get you not dozens, but literally thousands of clicks on your link to allow you to earn a lot of money on complete autopilot. The first such traffic source is a site called Imgur.com. For those of you who are unfamiliar with it, it is basically a social media platform. People share memes, GIFs, videos, and photos on Imgur about everything, and, more importantly for us, the site has over 230 million visits according to SimilarWeb, and the number one visits goes to United States, which is a top-tier country. This means that whatever photo or video you upload to Imgur has a good chance of receiving thousands of views at the very least, given the site's popularity. What you need to do once you come into Imgur is you want to sign up. To do that, just click on the sign up button in the upper right corner, and then you will be brought to the next page wherein we will enter a username, enter your email address, set a password, retype your password, and then your phone number, then hit next, and we'll enter some information. And now that you've logged into your account, you'll want to upload the video you downloaded from Pexels to this website, where you'll promote the Keto Meal Plan and add your affiliate link in the description. To do all of that, go to the upper left corner of the page and click on New Post, then choose Photo or Video, then open the video from your computer. From there, you'll want to title the video something along the lines of The Ultimate Keto Meal Plan, and in the description, you'll want to include best way to lose weight, as well as your affiliate link. And once you've completed all of this, simply click on Community here, and your video will now have the potential to receive thousands upon thousands of views because of Imgur's massive popularity. For those of you who have a small amount of money in your pocket and are willing to invest it in order to generate more money, I would strongly advise you to try this tool, the first link for which I have included in the description down below. This will allow you to, as you can see, one-click app gets free Facebook traffic in 19 seconds. So, even if you're a newbie with no experience, your Digistore 24 affiliate link will be in front of 1 billion people simultaneously in just 19 seconds. It will basically perform all of the hard work for you and drive traffic to your link while you sit back and do nothing. It does all of that through Facebook, one of the most popular apps on the planet today. With that said, this is a paid software, so, as I previously stated, you will need a small sum of money. But, because I got you guys a great deal, you'll be able to acquire this software for a lot less money, and because it has so much potential, I strongly advise you to give it a shot. It's the first link down below once more. To maximize your result, you can still use free traffic such as Facebook, joining Facebook groups, Twitter, and Instagram. And for best way to make money online, you can check the link in the description down below. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you appreciated this video. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. As always, thank you for watching. See you in my next video.